Hi everyone, and yes, I'm in the bathroom again, and yes, I'm testing out some very weird things. Instead of these devilish warheads, I'm going to be trying some Peeps. But these ones are still sour. I have sour watermelon, blue raspberry, and then party cake. Okay, so I'm first going to be trying the party cake. There we go. Totally just ruined the packaging. It smells like birthday cake. That little corner of sugar disturbs me. Peep, 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 peep. It tastes like some moldy cake. Like it tastes like cake, but not really. Next up is blue raspberry. See if I can open this one. I opened it! Okay, so I'll just bring one of these out. They're very, very blue, very sugary. That's so weird. It's like blue raspberry. It's weird. It like has a little bit of a sour tang to it, but it's like addicting though. Sour watermelons are gonna taste, because y'all know that I don't do very good with sour things. Oh my goodness, look at the color. That's so weird. They smell like watermelon though. I don't know. It's a very weird color. Like, I don't know if it's like it's pretty like down here, but then like it's weird. I don't know if the camera can see the correct color. It's like an army green kind of color. An army green mixed with a lime green. Look at this. Look at it tear. Oh my gosh. And then it's pink. It's a watermelon. Oh my gosh. I'm such a blonde. Oh no. No. I mean, like, the sourness, like, it's toned down, but, like, I had my tongue, but, like, once you eat, like, a good chunk, marshmallow. Oh my goodness. It's an accordion. This is a pretty color, though. Okay, ready? It's a sandwich. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Some watermelon came up. Okay, you ready? So, what happened is, is the blue raspberry and then the watermelon, they were having a fight. They were all like, no, I'm gonna be the overpowering thing. And they were like, and then the birthday cake was just like, surprise! It was very weird and it tasted very, very wrong. Subscribe too to get more weird, wacky videos like this every single week, which I will get better at that, I promise. Pinky swear. trying to get better. There's just been a whole lot of band stuff going on. I'm sorry. Don't forget to wear your pants. Bye! Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, check out the amendments video. I think it's pretty darn funny. So yeah, do it. Just do it! Make your dreams come true.